just launched BeautyRX.com to launch our skincare line, BeautyRX Skincare by Dr. Schultz. And one of the things that we wanted to do with BeautyRX that was different than any other skincare line available today was actually make the creator of that skincare line, the doctor behind it, Dr. Neil Schultz, available and approachable. And we thought video is the perfect way to do that, whether that's a video about a product with Dr. Schultz telling you why this product really works, or also how to use the product. So if I'm using a cleanser, what's really the best way to use a cleanser, or an exfoliator, or a sunscreen? The about videos are just Dr. Schultz speaking to you at his desk. The how-to videos, though, are actually demonstrative. So there is someone applying the product while Dr. Schultz is walking you through what they're doing and the proper way to apply it. We're also experimenting with some live streaming video options as well, as another way to make the creator of the line available to people, whether it's to answer questions about the brand, the skincare line, how to use it, and things like that. I think one of the most important things about video is it can really bring what you're offering to life. It's not just a picture on a page anymore. And you could also convey passion in a way that I don't think you can through text, and I think that's really the power of video right now, or at least static, not non-live video. If you're talking about live video, which I think is a really interesting opportunity for e-commerce, I think it enables a new level of interaction over the internet that I think is so important for e-commerce and e-tailers today.
Sort of like live chat as part of it. So how would you envision video rolling out in a live format then?
I think it would have to be scheduled. That's the way we're going to do it on BeautyRXSkincare.com. We are going to, I guess July 13th is going to be our first session, and Dr. Schultz is going to be available to answer anybody's questions about BeautyRX Skincare during the hour that he'll be airing. And we're going to do it either every month or every other week. We're going to kind of feel our way through that.
So tell us about the site that you're launching. It looks pretty nice.
So BeautyRX.com was designed by some really talented designer, Karen Messing, who's part of Jane Creative, a digital agency in New York, who's done some really great things for us. And they helped us kind of conceive of a very friendly user interface.
Tell us a little about the back end. What are you using for live and what are you using for the on-demand clip?
The on-demand clips, right now we're using a provider called Wistia. And one of the things we liked about them were we could have an unbranded player, and they also have some really nice analytics behind it. So you could see in real time if people are watching your videos. You can also see how far they've gotten through a video, if they've rewound the video, what they're looking at, what's most important in these videos to help you figure out how to really change your video, because e-commerce is all about conversion. So this is a great way to test and get analytics and see. As far as live, we're still kind of feeling our way through that. One of the things we are considering actually is the YouTube live platform. Others are Justin TV, Ustream, Livestream, a few options out there.
And we're not really a beauty show, but what are you guys selling and how will you establish a market for these products?
Sure, well, the BeautyRX Skincare is really the evolution of the line that Dr. Schultz has been using to treat his patients in his practice for the last 10 years. So we already have a pretty strong client base. What we're really doing for the first time, we've continually improved it by feedback from over 100,000 patient visits. And what we're doing for the first time is making it available to the public with some new and improved ingredients as well. And we have, whether it's exfoliators or exfoliants, sunscreens, cleansers, toners, all those essential skincare products that everybody needs to keep their skin healthy and looking more radiant and younger.
And one last thing, although you're just starting out, what tips would you have about video that should go onto an e-commerce site?
I think the player is so important here, so making sure that the player fits in with the theme of your page, whether can you have an unbranded player or can you have a branded player? And when I say branded player, is a YouTube embed going to work on your page, or do you need to do something a little more customized? And I'd probably lean towards the latter. I think analytics is really important there, and also making sure that it's cross-browser compliant. It's really up to you, though, whether you want it to be accessible on mobile devices.
Hi, I'm Dr. Neil Schultz, board-certified dermatologist and creator of BeautyRX Skincare. And welcome to BeautyRX.com.